Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to learn science class first lesson, plants increasing the numbers. Explanation part is completed. Today we are going to learn big part, pick the correct option and fill the blanks. Okay. First one, A bit. Pick the correct answer. Pick the correct option. First, it is A bit. First one, a seed with two seed leaves. A seed with two seed leaves. Two seed leaves is called. A seed with two seed leaves is called option A, damaged seed. Option A, damaged seed. Option B, monocot seed. Option B, monocot seed. Option C, soaked seed. Option C, soaked seed. Option D, dicot seed. Dicot seed. Which one is correct option, children? A seed with two seeds leaves is called damaged seed, or monocot seed, or soaked seed, or dicot seed. Dicot seed. Which one is correct answer? Two seeds. Two means dicot. Yes, where is dicot? Option D. Here you can write option D, dicot seeds. Dicot seeds. Dicot seed. Okay. A seed with two seed leaves is called dicot seed. A seed with two seed leaves is called dicot seed. Second one. Second, pick the correct answer. Right soil, warmth, and enough air, and water necessary condition for the growth of dash. Here see options. Children. Option A, children. Option B, birds. Option C, seeds. Option D, books. What is the second bit, children? Right soil, right warmth, and enough air and water necessary conditions for the growth of children, growth of birds, or growth of seeds, or growth of books. Which one is the correct answer? Yes, growth of seeds. Growth of seeds. These three conditions, air, water, and sunlight. Warmth means sunlight. These three are the necessary for growth of seed. Okay? Are you understand, children? Option C is correct answer. Option C, seeds, is correct answer. Okay? Next, third one. Third is the correct answer. Third bit. New plants can grow from the leaves of. Which plants are they grow from new plants? See here, option A, ginger. Option A, ginger. Option B, bryophyllum. Option C, Option C, onion. Option C, onion. Option D, sweet potato. Sweet potato. What is the thought, children? New plants can grow from the leaves of. New plants grow from leaves. Which leaves? Here say ginger leaves, bryophyllum leaves, onion leaves, and sweet potato. Which leaves are they grow from new plant? Bryophyllum. Bryophyllum leaves are grow new plant. Fourth one. Which feature helps coconut? Which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in water? Which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in water? Option A, fibrous outer covering. Option B, spongy part. Option C, presence of hook. Option D, presence of spines. Which feature helps a coconut fruit to float in water? Fibrous outer covering layer and spongy part, or presence of hook or spine? Which one is correct answer? Fibrous outer layer or outer covering layer is helps a coconut fruit to float in water. Okay, it is the fourth one. Next, fifth pick the correct answer. Plants that need clay soil to grow. Well are. Which plants are the need clay soil to grow? Which plants? Option A, wheat and gram. Option B, rice and jute. Option C, jowar and bajra. Option D, tea and coffee. Okay, which plants are the need clay soil to grow? Wheat and gram, rice and jute, jowar and bajra, and tea and coffee. Which plants need clay soil to grow? Rice and jute plants need clay soil to grow well. Okay, option B is correct answer. Sixth bit. Insecticides and pesticides. Protect the crops from being destroyed by. Insecticides and pesticides protect crops from being destroyed by drought. Option A, drought, or excessive rain. Option C, pest. Option D, elephants. Insecticides and pesticides protect the crops from being destroyed by droughts or destroyed by excessive rain or destroyed by pests or destroyed by elephants. Which one is correct answer? Yes, insecticides and pesticides protect the crops from being destroyed by pest. Option C is correct answer. You understand, children? These are the 6 tick the correct answers. You also tick in your textbook. Is tick the correct answer. Okay. Next one. Next bit. B bit. Fill in the blanks. B bit. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one. Might has dash leaf or leaves. How many leaves might have? Leaves or leaves? Only one. Yes, one in the leaf color. More than one leaves. Might have one leaf. Might have one leaf. Second one. Any part of potato has dash on leaves grow new plant. Grow into a new plant. Here see children, what is the second fill in the blank? Any part of a potato has on its grow into a new plant. Any part, that part name what? Birds. B-U-D-S, birds. Or these are called as eyes. Birds called as eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Okay? You understand? Any part of potato has, and birds and eyes of parts of potato has on its grow into a new plant. Okay? Third one. Third fill in the blank. In India, crops like wheat and gram are grown from November to, and movie means November to April. November to APR means shortcut April, and are called dash crops. November to April grown crops are called as which crops, children? Rabi crops. Which crops? Rabi crops. June to October called as Kharif crops. November to April grown crops are called as Rabi crops. Okay. Fourth bit. Onion. Rabi is correct answer here. Onion and dash. Onion and dash need well drained or sandy soil. Onions and dash need well drained sand and soil. Which one? Groundnuts. Onions and groundnuts need dried soil and sandy soil. Okay, it is the fourth bit. Once again I repeat you. Might has one leaf. Any part of potato has birds and eyes on its grow into a new plant. In India, crops like wheat and gram are grown from November to April. This November to April grown crops are called as Rabi crops. Onion and groundnut need well-drained soil and sandy soil. Okay, I understand. Next, fifth fill in the blank. Plants help to reduce soil is called reduce soil erosion. Soil erosion. It is the fifth one. Plants help to reduce soil erosion. Okay, once again I repeat, you see children. First fill in the blank. Mine has one leaf. It is the first answer. One leaf. Okay, now next one. Any parts of potato has grown into a new plant. It's a buds. It's called as ice. Okay, buds called as ice. Next one, third one. In India, crops like wheat and gram grown into a November to April. These are called as Rabi crops. Which crops? Rabi crops. Third one. First one, second one, third one. Fourth one. Onion and groundnut. Onion and groundnut need dried soil and sandy soil to grow. Next, fifth one, plants help to reduce soil erosion. Soil erosion. Here is the fill in the blanks answers. Maize has a one leaf, and any part of potato is buds and ice are growing to a new plant. November to April crops are called as Rabi crops, and onion and groundnut need well-drained soil and sandy soil, and plants help to reduce erosion, soil erosion. These are the fill in the blanks. You also note in your textbook and notebook also. Okay children, now you understand? Okay, thank you so much.